Welcome. In this video, we will learn how to create multiple wireless monitor modes. In previous video, you learned how to make your Wi-Fi adapter to monitor mode through M1ng. But with M1ng package, you can only create a single monitor mode. In this video, you will learn how to create multiple monitor modes up to 10 on a single wireless interface, usually WLAN 0 with different name MAC addresses of each MON1, MON2, MON3 and so on. Wireless networks, you can put your wireless card in either promiscuous mode or in monitor mode, but both are different modes. In monitor mode, sniffing the packets in the M1 in the air without connecting means associating with any access point. In promiscuous mode, sniffing the packets after connecting to an access point. Question arises why we need multiple monitor modes. When you conduct a wireless attacks on any target, you might need several monitor modes with some reasons like DOS, DDoS and purposes, whether just to identify certain monitor mode handles specific target or to make multiple attacks by that. Let's open up browser. Here I opened GitHub Makemon. Copy Makemon link. Makemon is the only way that bash script you can create multiple monitor modes on a single wireless interface. Let's install Makemon. Open terminal. Here I am cloning the Makemon tool in desktop, so type cd desktop to change any terminal directory to desktop. Type wget paste and GitHub Makemon link and hit enter. Type ls. Here you can see that it is downloaded. Now type iwconfig to check whether your wireless interface is up or not. Here you can see that WLAN 0 is up. Now give root full permission to Makemon script by typing chmod 777 Makemon. Then run Makemon directly from your terminal. As we saw wireless interface from iwconfig command, just type WLAN 0 and hit enter to continue. Here you can see that main menu with mainly 4 options, which are make one monitor interfaces, make multiple interfaces, delete monitor interfaces, last exit. Here I am typing 2 to create multiple monitor interfaces. You see that Makemon will ask how many virtual NIC do you want? So here I am typing 5 to continue. You see that MON1 is up, MON2 up and so on. Let's check that all the interfaces in monitor mode are not. Simply type iwconfig. You see here all 5 interfaces are in monitor mode. If you want to delete monitor mode interface, choose the menu option as 3 to delete. So that's it in this lecture. Thank you for watching and keep learning.